And it's actually kind of unique, even in the scale of Europe, that you can live in one city and work in another one, which is in a different country.
It all started with the Malmö Citytunnel back in 2010. It wasn't just about building a tunnel. It was about making daily life easier for people, connecting Malmö to the rest of Sweden and to Copenhagen through the Öresund Bridge. Suddenly, commuting between these two felt simple, fast and reliable.
The opening of Malmö Citytunnel has been a game changer for the daily transportation in the Nordic region, with its close connection to the Öresund Bridge that links Copenhagen and Malmö like never before. The tunnel improves daily travel with its faster, smoother and more reliable connections.
In Denmark, we were the prime contractor for the transportation systems of the Copenhagen Metro M4 line to the South Harbour. That is a project we are really proud of, bringing modern rail technologies to the capital of Denmark.
What makes me most proud on this project is the multicultural team spirit and teamwork, solving complex interface issues efficiently, having no accidents on site and deliver on time.
In 2023, we took it a step further and established our Nordic branch right here in Copenhagen. Copenhagen is the perfect spot. It's got so much going on, new developments, sustainability projects, and it's a gateway to the entire Nordic region. At Greater Copenhagen Light Rail, we supported our partner on the link bisection.
Working with Rhomberg Sersa has been a really rewarding experience. We've built a strong relationship from the start that we also was able to maintain throughout the project, which for me was one of the key factors for the successful installment of the slab track.
We are making the third of 3 workshops for DSB for the new electric train fleet in Denmark. We have 8.5 kilometers of rail outside and we have 8 pits inside with 130 meters. And all the tracks inside are made by Rhomberg Sersa.
We are here in Aarhus and we are building the third green DSB workshop. We are putting the tracks in. We have 3 types of rails which we are installing now in here, 3 different systems. We are working on track stands, we are working on consoles, and we are working as well on the in-floor rails.
What I really appreciated during the project was the smooth and great cooperation between all contributors, because we just helped each other out if there was an issue.
Copenhagen is really something special. It's a small capital, just over 600,000 people, but it's vibrant. The canals, the cycling culture, going greener and growing the economy at the same time. It's no wonder why Copenhagen is seen as the model of the green economy in Europe.
Being part of Denmark's economy and growing in Denmark, that means a lot. Through collaboration and knowledge sharing, we create lasting solutions that give real value for local communities and for generations to come.